Hey everyone, this video is about the GPU driver version error when you're playing Warzone 2. So I will show you a few steps how to fix this error. Please follow the steps with me and let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure your graphic card is all up to date. So to do that, I've left 3 links in the video description for Intel graphic card, AMD and NVIDIA. So to find out what graphic cards you have and it needs updating, just go to search and type in there system information. Then expand the component on the side and click on display. Now in here you should see your graphic card information. So all you need to do is just select the correct information and after that just click on search. Then at the bottom you will see the latest versions in here. So you can just download the latest one, which is 526.98. Once you download it, then run it on your computer and it should fix the problem. And also you need to make sure your Windows is all up to date. So to do that, just go to Windows Update. Then click on check for updates manually, and if there are any updates available like these one, click on download and install them. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.